Oh my god, it's gonna fall. It's not gonna fall in your car. It can't. Whoa, it's gonna fall like right now. If he cuts down that one piece right there, it's gonna fly.
Ooh, look at that.
Uh-oh.
They should just take the whole tree down while they're at it.
Why didn't they take just off?
Oh my god! Did you see that?
Yes.
Whoa! Move from the window, London.
You too. Now he's probably scared. He's like, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, he's like gonna make it all fall. Okay. Whoa. Okay, that's good now. Now take it away. Why don't they just take down the whole tree? How are they gonna take it?
They're gonna push it with that truck over there. See how they have it tied up?
That's cool. I have to see this. This looks really cool.